Yep, that's me. The idiot in the shirt. And this is what I do. Sometimes I like to travel in style. Other times, meh, not so much. But it's always somewhere interesting. From Singapore to the black lava fields of Tenerife. And maybe some local wildlife thrown into. But often just random stuff. Of a stuffed type creature. In my videos, I always try and get a feel for the local place. However, there's never much of me in the videos, so that's a blessing. And, in amongst the random stuff, there'll be some photography tutorials to help you take better photos. I'm Rob, the Eccentric Englishman. Meh.